Hello, myself Jobin Johnson, registration number URK 19CS1034. So today I'm going to explain you the second experiment of DBMS lab. So our first question is to create a table deposit with the following specification. Like column name should have account number, C name, B name, amount, and a date. The data types would be varchar and number and date. So as you can see here, just we have to write a command, create table, then the table name and the column and the data types we have to enter. Then the table would be created, and if you want to just check it whether the table is created or not, just we have to write TSC and the table name. So it will just show up the table. And the second question is we have to create a table branch with a column B name and city, and the data type would be varchar. Okay, and as you can see here, this is the table. And the third question is just we have to create a table of naming customer, and the column would be C name and the city, as you can see here. And after that, we have to create a borrow table with a column name, row number, C name, B name, and amount. And the data type would be varchar and number. As you can see here, the table is created here. And the second question is just we have to insert all the details inside this deposit table. Okay, so just for that we have to write this command, insert into, then the table name and values that we have to enter, and then all the values that we are going to enter it. So 101 Anil VRC and 100 the date. Like that we are creating the table and providing the values also. As you can see here, for just all first for just checking that column name values and B name values and amount values, we have to enter select star. The command is select star from and the table name. So just writing the command select star from deposit student 1034, the table is displayed as you can see here. Again, for the we have to just insert the values in V name table, as you can see here. As procedure to the previous thing only, we have to just write the command insert into and the table name and all the values we have to enter. We have to write it inside it. Like that, we are creating that table. For viewing that table, we have to write the command select star from then the table name. Like that, for customer table also we are doing the same thing. For borrow table also we are doing the same thing. And the third question is list all the detail of the table deposit. For that we have to just write the command select star from then the table name. The table name would be deposit student 1034, and it will be displayed all the values of the table is deposit student 103. And the fourth question is we have to list all the data from table or okay, like that previously we have done it. Like that it's be displayed. The command would be select star from borrow spirit. The fifth question is the same only, just we have to select the we have to get the account number and amount from the depositor table. So for that, the command would be select account number, amount, and the table from then the table name from where we have to get that details. So the table name would be deposit underscore student underscore 1034. So the account number and amount would be displayed. And the sixth question is we have to select statement to display the names of the customer. For that, just we have to write the command select C name from then the table name. So the table name is customer student 1034, then it will display all the customer name. And for seventh, we have to list the name of the branches. So for that, the command would be same only, just instead of the C name, it would be B name, and the table it would be different. Branch is the table here right now. Branch underscore student underscore 1034. And eighth question is display the names of the customer living in the city Nagpur. So for that, the command would be select CNAME from then the table that is customer student underscore 1034. Then where is the command and city, and we have to just select the city Nagpur. So we are writing the city name is Nagpur. Then it will display the customer name where the Nagpur is situated. It would be displayed the customer name. Ninth question is display the names of the customer having amount greater than 4,000. So for that, there is the command select CNAME from the table, then the table name where amount is greater than 4,000. It will display the person's name, that is Sunil. So 10th question is display the account date of customer Anil. Then the command would be select a date from the table name where CNAME equals to Anil, the date. 11th question is give the names of all branches located in city Bombay. So select the command will be select B name from branch student where city equals to Bombay. It will just print out the names of the. The 12th question is give the names of depositor having account at PRC. Then the command would be select C name from the table name where P name equals to PRC. Just display the name of all branches located in city Delhi. So for that, the command would be select B name from branch student 1034 where city equals to Delhi. Like all that will be done. So 15th question is display the account number and deposit amount at customer having account open between date 1/12/95 to 1/6/96. So the command would be select account number and amount from the table name where date is between 1 December 1995 and 1 between 1 June 1996. It will display the amount and the account. The 16th question is give 10% interest to all depositors. For that, the command would be update in the table name, then set amount equals to amount plus amount into 10 by 100. And just for displaying, select star from table name. It will display all the details. And the 17th question is give 10% interest to all depositors having branch BRC. So for that, we have to just write the command update then the table name and set equals to amount plus amount in 10 by 100 where B name equals to BRC. Okay, for displaying the table, just we are writing the command select star from the table name. And 18th question is change the living city of BRC branch borrowers to Nagpur. For that, there is the command update customers, then the table name, then set city Nagpur where C name is Anil. So it will just print the name. The select star from customer table is just display all the tables. And change the deposit of BRC branch to 1000 and change the branch as BRC Ansari. For that, we are just writing this command update deposit the table name, the amount equals to 1000 where B name is BRC. And again, we have to change the branch. So for that, update the table name, set this where B name is VRC. So for displaying the table, just we have to write it, the command select star from the table name. The 20th question is delete customers from Bombay City. For that, we are just using the command delete from then the table name where city equals to Bombay. And it will delete the people who have belongs to Bombay City. Okay, so for displaying that, select star from the table name. So the Bombay peoples are deleted from the table as you can see. And for last question 21, that is display the customer details whose name ends with the letter 1. So for that, the command would be select star from the table name where C name like for ending that name would be for that command modulus L, that is percentage L. For that, it would be printed all the names ending with the L. So it's printed as you can see here, ending Anil, Sunil, and thank you. I hope you understood it. Thank you.